Namaste. I'm Thomas Grahl, CEO of Blue Automation, a leading German automation service provider with a proud and growing presence in India. On June 20th, we are teaming up with the German Engineering Federation VDMA to host an exclusive event in Pune, and you are invited. We will show you how to boost your manufacturing performance with smart German automation, from upgrading existing machines to using digital twins for faster, smoother commissioning. Our focus is hands on, practical solutions tailored for Indian industry. If you are serious about increasing efficiency and staying competitive, this event is for you. I look forward to great conversations, new ideas, and to welcoming you in Pune. See you there.